Hi guys, so for eye base I'm using the Sugar Cosmetic eyeshadow pen. It is in very light color. So after that I'll be applying a blue eyeshadow from a Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. So I'm building up the color. Also for the color like which are brighter you should be going easy, like building up in bit by bit so that it doesn't look odd. So I'm taking product, very less product in brush and trying to build it. Now I'm happy with the color. So next color I'm taking this copper kind of color. So when it combined with blue it will turn out as purple, as you can see. So I'm putting it on my crease, making a V on the outer corner and blending it properly, repeating the same steps on the other eye. Softening the edges by taking a brush without any color, and now to highlight the brow bone I have taken a color like a light color. Now you can see my brow bone is also highlighted. So first look is done. For the second look I'll be doing a cut crease. So for that I have applied a guideline kind of line on my crease using a blue eyeliner. So by following the liner you can apply the color. So I have taken a blue shadow from other palette and see how this color is turned out to be. It's very beautiful color. So for the next look I want it to be like more color on the crease area so that the cut crease will come out beautifully. And now you can see how beautiful this color is looking. So with the help of concealer I will cut my crease. I'll cutting the whole crease using this crease brush from Joiva. Applying the concealer in the same way on the other eye. So like if we have color underneath the concealer, then we need to apply some light color shadow above the concealer so that it will pop out. Otherwise if we don't have anything beneath the concealer, then we do not need to apply any eyeshadow. So to pop out the cut crease I'll be applying a white shadow above this. If you like that much, like if you like this look you can go with it, but I would like to add some more glamour to it. So for that I'll be using loose glitter. So I'll be taking the loose white glitter and with the help of glitter glue I'll be applying those glitter. So with the glitter you need to be careful. You need to apply small amount and try to cover up the area you want to apply glitter to, and don't like over apply the glitters, because when the glitter glue will be dry, your glitters will fall off if it will be applied on each other. So in that case you need to have like proper placement of glitter. You should not apply too much of glitter. So, and also like with the loose glitter it will fall off. So to dust them off you can use any compact powder or loose powder. Here I'm using a compact powder. Also I'll like freshen up my base with the same compact powder. Now I'll be adding blush on my cheeks using this peach color blush. It's a very nice pigmented blush from Face Secret company, and they have very nice cosmetic items. I have used their most of the items. So I'll be trying their highlighter as well. Oh wow, look at that highlighter. The shine it has given me. It's like a dupe of Champagne Pop, Becca Champagne Pop. So if you're looking for a good highlighter in a economic range, so you can go for this. As you can see how much illumination it has given. And now I'll be applying kohl on my waterline, and also I will tightline my eyes using the same kohl. So tight lining eyes is optional. Also like kohl is also optional if you don't like to apply kohl, but I don't want to apply eyeliner today, so that is why I'm applying kohl under on my waterline, and I'll be smudging the kohl using black and brown eyeshadow so that my eyes look more big. As there is already too much of color on my eyes, so I don't want to apply eyeliner, so I'll be going with this look only. So after that I'll be curling my lashes using lash curler, and after that I'll be applying a mascara. So keep in mind, best technique to apply mascara is to look down and then apply. But for the making this video I have to like see in the front. So while we apply the mascara by looking upward motion, then there can be some mishaps. So yeah, that we can fix. Let this mascara be dry and then we can flick it off. And if you think like your base also come off, that we can fix using the same beauty blender through which you have applied your base foundation. Yes, so I think it's pretty much done. So for eyelash, I'm using Huda Beauty eyelash, and eyelash glue is from Europe Girl. Let it be dry. Using the eyelash applicator, I'll be placing the eyelashes near to my real eyelashes. So one thing to keep in mind, once you apply the eyelashes, you need to close your eyes for few minutes so that the eyelash glue will be dry, and then apply mascara. Now setting spray. there is the final look. So I hope you guys like the final look. It turned out to be so beautiful and I'm happy with this look. So if you want to see more looks, you can follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram handle is makeover by Dia.